welcome back to my channel. It's 𝐸𝑚𝑏 Glam. If you want to go for this look with these cute cornrows, let's get started. I have a 99-cent pack of hair in my hand, Kakalon 100%. I have some Gorilla Glue gel. I also have some 𝐕 Ultra Glued with Eco Style olive oil gel, and I'll be using that mostly. Comb and brush. I have Cream of Nature Perfect Edges with Argan Oil, Neutrogena Triple Moisture leave-in, 2 clips, some scissors, and some hair ties that are safe for natural hair. I am transitioning my hair. I have cut a lot of my hair off since last year, so I'm going to be protective styling all year with wigs, weaves, whatever. I'm going to be taking care of my hair under them so I can grow my hair back to waist naturally. So I'm going to put my hair up in 2 buns so we can start the cornrow process, and I'm going to help you learn how to cornrow today. Starting with the hair, I'm going to split it in 2. I'm going to take the sections and just split it and make sure that it stays apart because it can get tangled very quickly. Before I start braiding, I want to take 1/2 of my bun down before my hands get all goopy with the gel. I'm going to pick up my Eco Style and Gorilla gel and mix them together and put that inside my hair. I like this ratio because it makes it easier for my hair to lay down since I'm transitioning because my hair wants to curl up. So I'm going to take my board brush and brush it through. Now that I wash my hands, I'm going to split the hair strands into 4 sections. And if you watch closely, you'll see that I'm just looping the hairs together. I'm just folding the strands over each other, and I'm going to kind of make a T right here. You want to make sure it looks like this. Then you want to take your index finger and your thumb and pinch them together in between the hair, as you can see right here, and start braiding. It should look like this. Now that you have that part down, you want to lay the hair down and tautly fold into your own hair, laying one strand under the other, catching your own hair. And that's how you cornrow. It's simple as that. You want to make sure that the hair doesn't tangle while you're braiding and just keep it neat. I'm going to braid all the way down, and I'm also going to do the same thing for the next side of my hair, and that's it. It's very simple. It takes a lot of practice to learn a cornrow, but once you practice, you'll get it. I'm going to just cut off some extra straggly ends that's sticking out so the braid can look neat. Sometimes one side will look different from the other. I'm still learning, I'm still practicing, but this is as far as I got with braiding, so I'm still learning how to braid. But as soon as I learned how to do it, I said I'll go ahead and show you all how to do it as well, because it was a very simple process, and I am actually on a cruise in this video, and I use this hairstyle in the water. I swam with it, I got in the ocean with it, and it was just easy peasy all week. And now I'm going to add more gel and lay down my edges. I'm going to take my board brush and brush it in, and then I'm also going to pick up my really light edge brush and brush in some little baby hairs to make it look a little neater. I'm not really into baby hairs. I just like to brush my edges down, but I like to make it look very neat. So after I braid it, I add the gel, brush that down, and now I'm going to tie it up, leave it tied up for about 10 minutes, and that's it. Let's get started on our makeup. I'm going to go ahead and start with Smashbox Primer and add that to my face after I added my moisturizer. Next, I'm going to go to LA Pro Concealer and apply that around my face. Any imperfections, cover it up to make my skin look even. The lighting is not that good in this cabin, so bear with me. It was kind of cloudy outside. Now I'm going to pick up my foundation and apply that as well. If you want to know where any products I use, just look down below and you will see exactly what I used. I added water to my sponge and I'm going to go ahead and blend well. And now that that's done, I'm going to go over it with my kabuki brush and make sure everything is blended really well. Ready to start on my eyebrows, so I like to brush them out first because they can get very bushy. They have a mind of their own. And I'm going to pick up my eyebrow pencil and go ahead and, add some color. And I like to carve them out with my MAC Pro Concealer to make it look very neat. I'm going to add my contour, and I like to use Black Opal. And I'm going to brush that through and make sure everything is blended. Next, I'm going to go in with my banana powder and go under my eyes, under my contour to highlight some shadows. And while that's sitting, I'm going to use lipstick for my eyeshadow today. I wanted to do something different. I wanted a sultry red look. So I didn't have a color inside my palette that I brought on the ship. So I used my lipstick, which was brand new. So I added that on, and that's MAC Ruby Red. I'm going to line my lips. Add some gloss, which is Spice by MAC. All set. Here's the final look. I hope you love it and enjoy it. Make sure that you keep practicing your cornrows. And make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed already, hit the notification button. That way you know when I upload, I'm back on, and I'm so happy that I miss you all. Thank you for the condolences for my grandmother. This outfit is from Venus. The shoes is from Diva Boutique. I'm carrying a Coach wristlet. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you love it. Live your dreams, glam your lifestyle. Take care. Bye everyone.